spending the night in Dixon. 60-odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man. How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? Carried it all, cobbling miles as we go, a line at a time, or a sad swan song, offering up purple prose. I'd find you if I could, invite you to the final act, but I think it's understood nothing good can come of that. Between us now, how many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best. Foolish notions, foolish lies. I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company. You came along and lifted me up. The going got tough, but the tough got some love.